It's even more than I hoped to achieve. It feels like it belongs here. When I was conceiving this work, I was thinking a lot about the people that would be experiencing it. For me, it was, how can I make a work that has a feeling of reassurance and being able to hold us through the journey of coming into this more activated space. These colours come from nature, so we're familiar with these colours and they intrinsically kind of calm us down. I love how the forms are really picked up by the light coming down through the windows. I think it can really change as we move around it. And of course, most people will see it as they descend, and that's going to be amazing.